Alright, my simple beauties, let's get into this video. Over here, anything in the background is my baby girl, and she's watching this movie, so it's kind of noisy in the background. Okay, so right here I'm using the Magic Collection Late Night palette. I love this palette. Every shade is very buttery and creamy. So I noticed when I was recording, some of the shots, some of the frames, I'm not in the frame. So sorry. So like this shot right here, I thought I was in the frame and I wasn't. So sorry about that, but I'm just using just these few shades out this palette to create this look. And towards the end of the video, I'll be more in the frame, you'll see. But the star of the show is the highlighters and the Satin Spray and the loose powder highlighter. So this right here is so pretty. I love it, love it, love it. So that was the Satin Spray. You'll see it again in the video, towards the end of the video. But yeah, so basically I just wet my brush and dipped it in the loose highlight pigment and then put it on my lid. Like I said, I was not in frame and I am so sorry. I was gonna record it again, but your girl ain't got time for that. But yeah, so you don't get what you get with this one. Okay, so yeah, so that's what I'm doing right here. And these are the lashes. It's so pretty. I love these lashes. All right, you guys, so this is the frame I'm telling you about. So this is their lip gloss. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you'll see the shade lip gloss shades that I did post in Swatches. But I'm pretty sure if you saw my other video, I did have a video review on everything. So yeah, this is the highlighter. I have pre-highlighted my face already, but you know, I like to double up on my highlights. So look at this highlighter. It's like glass skin. It's very stunning, very flawless on the skin. I have no complaints with this collection. It's very, very pretty. All right, and then you know your girl got a little bit thirsty, so you know she had to drink some water. Yes. Okay, and then this is a Satin Spray. I think this was the rose gold looking one, but I love it. It like leaves you little shimmers all over your face. It's so pretty. I really love this collection. This is an up close of everything. And yeah, so I'll see y'all in my next video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and yes, look at this slay, effortless.